Hey everybody, it's Mark again, and I want to show you something that I just got in. My daughter ordered this for me from Amazon. It cost me around $43, and if you have Amazon Prime, which she does, and it's free shipping. But I seen them on like um, this other site on Facebook, and the reviews on this other site on Facebook showed it was bad, like Temu or something like that. But anyway, I was wanting one to help me with my videos and to help me repair stuff because my eyes are getting bad. But this is it right here. And if I could zoom in so you guys could see this screen, you can focus in to see parts really well. And it has this dial right here, which you can zoom in and out to make it clearer. Like if I put this thing on the ground here and turn this dial, it zooms in to make it clearer. And then these buttons here, it brings it up even closer in stages. So it'll bring it up 4 times closer than what it was already. And then over here, you can actually record a video if that's what you want to do. And the D says currently there's no files, but anyway, I think it'll help me in working on my clocks, and it also help me explain to y'all what to look at. And this is a hairspring escapement. Once I figure out how to operate or handle the item, I can also be able to zoom in and maybe work on this hairspring escapement clock. But it's a pretty cool thing. 4.3 digital microscope. It was listed for zooming in on bugs and stuff, but you can zoom in on clocks. And this little holder, you don't have to keep it in the holder. You can take it out of the holder and hold it over whatever you want to hold it over. And zoom in that way. I will say that it took a little bit longer than it normally would. It came through the post office. I got it today. My daughter thought she was going to have to reorder it, and on the Amazon account, it said if you reorder because you haven't got it and you end up getting the original one, that you have to pay for the second one. But this is what the box looks like. So it took a while to get the thing in. I think it's because the post office is something going on with the post office, and it's slowing things down. Give me a thumbs up. Leave me some comments. Tell me what you think. And hopefully I will get back to working on clocks. I've been having a lot of back issues, and I haven't felt like it. So hopefully you'll be seeing videos from me soon. And I failed to mention that you can put a T-Flash micro SD card in here. It comes with a charge cord, LED lights, but it's a pretty cool system.